ZVSA stock analysis and ZVSA stock prediction. In this one brief short 1-minute video, I'm breaking down, is this thing really a buy or not? I'm the only guy in the space who's done 43,000 videos over 5 years, so I have seen what's printing me money and what's not. And especially looking at Zyversa Therapeutics, it's not looking good, bruv, and that's kind of shown in my bias that I made before. You know, even when we were sitting here, I was like, if there is a double break, I'm willing to take it down. Not like I was going to trade it, and not like I'm still gonna trade this. It's just that it's a bearish bias, man. Like, I don't like how we're trading, to be very frank, and there's really no point. Just this environment, it's not tradable, you know, this sort of day trades. But what if you invest a lot of money and trade it, you know, can this 10x? Very high risk, high reward. If that's the game you want to play, I mean, do your own diligence, but for me, it's currently bearish, only for now, not forever. If you want to stay tuned with ZVSA and want to get my money-making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. Like I said, it's free.